Menteri rang ba jang kejela kon rasang ma ta kalai terik jang uluber lahir sukino kum menteri rang ba kejela kanang ban ailat ya ulat kejela nak bentaban khot ya parti bantai ka sokar kot mai hakaju kapor ukon ran menta kasing ula yalam ya ka hon juki MLA nak NPP bat arngut ki MLA nak ka BJP kanang ulat khot dek NPP bakam thau ya ka sarkar namar ong konrad kadai kaseng ka bajab bun ngutam ki MLA hakanya kerem kelap khubor habla keli lau konrad bat ke NPP kelayo NM ya unamar ban sinai ke sarkar u konrad umpat semati keren saya setia hadu kan ngut ki MLA ki balanget ban ajeng kersan relas ngotho ba menderang ba keren saya baki barala wan sakmat ban terwa ban ajeng kersan ke NPP bakan thau ke sarkar kadai aseng BJP nang ta badu kertong simet balajam nabak mara karkum kitolong khubor kelaya tho ba kalau don kajinya keren pedang di MLA ki bajam nak PDF bat HSPP kenang makin wan ajeng kersan ya ka sarkar ka bakin NPP kan jalan haduk menta empat latip sastia laki ne parti intra NM kersan ya NPP bakan jalan ya ka sarkar habala keliau menteri rang ba barem ka jela konrad lah to ki MLA kelawan ajeng kersan berkila ANM dak siban peni baki kersan ya ke NPP kan tahu ya ke sarkar konrad laong bakar haduk mata 14 di ban pendem nak mar ki babun hiki MLA kidang don halaki constituency lagum nukum no menta kajan bit anla ban laj IT ya kan ka sithi ban peni baki MLA ki kersan ya ke NPP ban yalam ya ke sarkar kana mau ulat ni ban khot ban tahu sarkar ka teman
invited us, so we will now as soon as the MLAs all start arriving here we will formally get all the signatures done.
So you will call me tomorrow or today, sir?
We'll see.
And when will be the meeting to decide the name of?
As soon as all the MLAs, because the problem is, as I said, the results just came out yesterday. So a lot of the MLAs have just come out from the constituencies. Some are still on the way. All these things are there. So later, so I'll talk to you later, guys. Properly, I'll talk to you. I'll give you. Okay. Because it's not fair, like this.
Which are the other parties that supported you, sir?
I'll bring it out to you all.
Sir, apart from the BJP, which are the other parties?
There are other parties. You already know the names. Why are you asking
So
me?
you have submitted the names of the MLA, sir?
No, because we have to give the signatures. We give the signatures, everything. But because as I said, MLAs are still on their way. That is the reason why we don't want to submit a list which is half.
So by evening,
mainly NPP MLAs have not been able to arrive yet.
so by evening,
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.